Hi Wonder Class and welcome to our science lesson on Thursday the 21st of January 2021. So let's see what we're going to be learning about today. Can I begin to identify the advantages and disadvantages of a changing environment? So, an introduction to habitat. In this lesson, we will be beginning to look at the different habitats in our local area. We will begin to understand how one habitat may be better than another for specific people. We will try to justify our thoughts by thinking about all that we already know in relation to living things. Your local area. Have a think about your local area. A walk may help you to think about what your local area looks like. You could go out to your local park, another road that is near your home. What do you like about your local area? Which area in your local area do you think is used most often? Have you seen any changes in your local area? If so, what changes have you seen or noticed? Why did these changes take place? And are the different places in your local area used by different animals and people? Note down which living things use specific spaces in your local area. So this is a letter that has been sent from the Langley Academy Primary School's Chair of Governors. Let's have a read. Dear teachers, we have been offered a fantastic deal from a local adventure playground company for some new equipment for the playground. Using the money we have raised from a recent book sale and because of the heavy discount we have been offered, we are able to buy similar equipment to that shown below. Because of the size of it, the only place that will be big enough to house it will be the wildlife/pond area. We would have to drain the area and put safety tarmac down before being able to build upon it. We are asking you for your feedback to this idea. How often is the wildlife pond area used at the moment? Do you think the new play equipment will be a good idea? Kind regards, Mr. Burford, the Chair of Government. So, now that you've read the letter, what do you think about the proposal plan? There are two sides to every argument. There are positive and negative points about building an adventure playground on a wildlife area. Think about what those points might be. Use Google, your friends and your family to help you to gather some ideas together. Here are some of your tasks for today. Task 1 is list the advantages and disadvantages of having an adventure playground. An idea of how to lay your work out will be on the next two slides. Task 2, list the advantages and disadvantages of keeping the wildlife area as it is. And task 3 is decide which you think the school should choose, the adventure playground or wildlife area. Record yourself explaining your reasons. So you could carry out actually all of these activities as a video as well and show your work off. So let's see what the next slides show us. So you can have a picture of the playground, the positive and the negatives, or the advantages or disadvantages, and the same for the wildlife area. So what you're basically doing is brainstorming positive ideas for the wildlife area and negative ideas, positive ideas for the adventure playground and negative ideas, and then making a video summarizing, which is your third task, summarizing which one you think the school should choose. Enjoy this activity as it's quite a lot of a debate, and I think you could be really adventurous with talking about these things on your video, giving your opinion, as there's no right or wrong answer, but it would be great to hear from everybody. That's all from me today. See you in the next lesson. Bye, Wonder Class.